Hey guys, what's up? Ludwig Vandervat here, and this is the second part of my Ultra Learning Progress series. Not Ultra Learning, sorry, Unity Learning Progress series. And I have done some, it's not so clear exactly what what progress I've made, but I actually have made quite a lot. So if you look, it looks basically the same, but I've learned about scriptable objects here, as you can see, and made one for a cheese block and one for a tomato. And I've also made here kitchen objects, so that's included the scriptable objects stuff. And there I've got a lot of new scripts, and you can see here the kitchen objects. But here the code is where most of the work has actually been done. So there's this new interface. I learned about interfaces as well, by the way, but there's this new interface, and then all these new classes, like this selected counter visual. This one is just for when I select a counter, how it will look to change the visual. This one is for the kitchen objects, like the cheese blocks and the tomato and stuff like that. So you can see here that I can set the parent, so just set where it is, where the object is and stuff like that. And here's my interface as well, and then here is my scriptable objects, and one of the scriptable object thing, sorry. And then here is where most of the clear work is, in the clear counter, the obvious work. And here in the interact class, I've made it so that the first time you click E, then a kitchen object is spawned, and then the second time, when there's already an object there, in other words, then it's supposed to be set to the parent, to the player as a parent, so the player can carry it, but actually that's not working at the moment. But anyway, here I have some functions, which are from the iKitchenObject parent interface, and actually I can actually show you how the game looks right now. So let's just wait for it to load here, and there we go. Okay, so here you can see how it looks. I can move around like this, just like before, and there's the idle animation as well. And then if I go up, then you can see that if I go up to counter, it becomes grayed out like that, which shows that I can select it. And then if I click E, then a cheese block spawns on this one, and this one a tomato. And it's supposed to be that if I click E again, I'm clicking E right now, it's supposed to go to the player so that the player can carry it, but that isn't working. And I am actually trying to figure out how to fix that. So you can see here, wherever I try to click it from, nothing is happening. But anyway, that's mostly what I've done. So I know it doesn't look like I've done that much, but there's a lot of code and stuff, and actually, as you can see here, this is the part with the problem that I'm trying to fix, and after I fix that, I'll probably be adding new objects like bread and stuff like that, and new counters, although I'm actually not completely sure. But yeah, so anyway, that is it. That's basically what I've been doing. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to see more like this, and I will see you in the next video.